Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best router bit sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best router bit sets. Starting at number 5, we have the ZJIA CNC Engraving Bit Router. Looking for a bit set which engraves machine tools? This is the one to set your eyes on. That is because it handles and performs many of those tasks which revolve around matters engraving. The main reason underlying this is excellent construction and overall appearance. The high-quality stainless steel materials adorn much of the parts and components of this bit set. The material is subsequently strong enough to withstand the most severe damages and impacts. This allows for long-term use and applications. Even though it is sturdy, this set is also flexible enough to allow for agility in times of use. This suits it for those tasks which call for a repeated change of locations and angles. The wear resistance, on the other hand, guarantees long-term use and applications. With this set, it is possible for you to enjoy some tight and stable clamping. This stems from the high-precision makeup and the pretty strong force generates by the metallic parts. You have it for your reliability all along. Moving on at number 4, we have the Valiant Bottom Cleaning Router Bit. Regardless of your skill level, you should always find a router setting which appeals to you. The manufacturers of this set understand this fact only too well. That is why they have crafted it for universal applications, i.e. hobbyists and professionals. Topping the list of its most notable traits is the YG6X original carbide alloy material construction. The material is pretty strong and resilient to the common elements of wear and tear. Be sure to use this set for a fairly long duration of time. Next comes in the surface planning router bit. It gives you the leeway to generate professional quality woodwork which is devoid of any blurs or splinters. For this reason, it has your safety and overall great outcomes for your leverage. Lastly, the set comprises a bottom cleaning router bit. This one makes use of some high-precision grinding technology to operate. Given the precise nature of these operations, you will surely end up with flawless, smooth, and clean outcomes all the time. At number 3, we have the Lukcase 1/8 CNC Router Bits. Do you wish to generate some third-dimension sculptures and artifacts? Well, this is the set to lay your hands on. By its sheer nature and scope, this set handles slotting, engraving, cutting, milling, and sculpturing perfectly well. Some high-density polished materials have been used to construct this router set. The material is tougher, stable and also breathtaking to behold. You may consider using this router set to enhance the interior ambiance of your workshop. It is also resistant to water and other forms of moisture. For this reason, you may count on it not to let you down regardless of whichever circumstance that comes your way. Specifically, the set does well in damp environments. Other than being water resistant, this set is also perseverant to higher temperatures. Expect it to yield you stable and reliable performances even when the circumstances do not favor other kinds of sets. This again makes it suited for intense applications. At number 2, we have the HQMaster CNC Router Bits. For your convenience and to save you plenty of money, it is in your best interest to use a multi-purpose tool of this kind. As you are about to note, this tool is capable of performing a wide range of tasks and purposes. This makes it great for a serious workman like you. As stated, this tool is able to take on many kinds of materials and chores out there. These are grooving, cutting, milling, and carving to mention but a few. This is due to its tough and durable construction which is also accompanied by its versatility. Compared to other kinds of sets, this one yields extremely wonderful performance indeed. This is mainly explained by the tungsten steel materials which are used to make up most of its parts. They exude some highly efficient work output in the course of use. In its entirety, this router set comes in a considerate packaging indeed. Its constituent parts and components are assorted in some plastic case for the purposes of easy storage. Also, retrieving the materials is easier given that they are placed in a distinct section. And finally at number 1, we have the Stalwart Router Bit Set. If you are a career workman, it is in your best interest to find a router bit set that is universal in scope. This is to mean that it can perform a range of chores at a time. We ask you to look no further than this one. You will find it useful for a range of tasks. Only high-quality and durable materials are used to make up the set. Carbide, as a matter of fact, is extensively used to adorn the bits. You may count on this tool to last you long and enable repeated usage and applicability. To carry it around and about a desired area, the set is accompanied by a sturdy wooden case. With this case in your hands, you may be sure to carry it wherever you may wish to unhindered. This also guarantees you some confidence to complete your tasks. In all, this set can accommodate a whopping 15 different bits at a time. All these are attached to a 1/4 inch shaft bit which has the ability to fit all routers. Regardless of your skill level, you may find it relevant for your chores. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.